If you've had a chance to put on a virtual reality headset, you know how immersive it can be. Whether you're fighting dragons or flying through space in an intergalactic war, the options are limitless. But what if you just want to step into a realistic space, explore your creativity, and have fun? Unnamed VR's virtual reality Sandbox does just that. Step into a large, realistic mansion with 15 game rooms, all filled with adventure and fun. Maybe you want to check out a room with zip lines, climbing walls, and giant trampolines. Or what if you want to play music on a guitar, or paint in 3D, or spray paint in the graffiti room? You can even just play ping pong or shoot a bow and arrow in the archery room. Aside from their game rooms, the entire mansion is realistic. The cabinets open, the vases break, and you can pick up and throw any object. It's truly a space for you to explore your creativity and immerse yourself in the virtual reality world. Unnamed VR is available for consumers and also for VR arcades. To get started, head to the Oculus Rift Store, HTC Vive Port, and Steam Store, or visit unnamedvr.com.